Hi, so today I want to make Chamber Headhunter weapon from the game Valorant. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my social media for more content and giveaways. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to the tutorial. First, you have to print all the templates in A4 size. For the templates, you can check it down in the description. Now you can cut all the patterns into pieces like this. Next, you can copy the patterns to EVA foam like this. And as you can see, there are arrows like this. If the arrow is going outside, you have to cut 45-degree angle outward. And if the arrow is going inside, you have to cut 45-degree angle inward. For the better result, don't forget to always sharpen your knife. Now you can cut in angle like this, until it looks like this. Now for the details like this, you can tape the patterns to the other side like this. Take needle and prick all of the points of the details like this. If the details are curved, you can just do this technique. After that, you can connect each point using pencil like this. Don't forget to do this to all the other parts. Now you can take this part. Now you can put some glue to both sides, just like this. After leaving it for a couple minutes, you can start connecting them together like this. And after that, you can cut the extra lines that we made before like this. Now take steel wire like this, then place it between the holes like this. Now we can close it with the other parts like this, following with the last part like this, until it looks like this. Now for the details, we're gonna make it look like this. But first, connect this part to the others like this. Then we can start placing them together like this. Glue this part first, and then it will be easy to glue the middle part. Don't forget to glue the muzzle until it looks like this. Now this is the fun part. Just a small detail, but make you satisfied. We're gonna put this tiny part on top of the weapon like this. But first, draw a small line in here, 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 and here. And now you can take needle, prick to this part between the line and the bottom part. Because the needle is not long enough, so I'm gonna add 2 needles like this. Now we're gonna make holes to this part and the others. And now we're gonna try to put this on, just like this. To make it smoother, you can cut the bottom parts like this, until it looks like this. Now for the lines that we made before, we can score it with pen cutter like this. And then we can hit it with heat gun to open up all those lines until it looks like this. By the way, I forgot to mention you here. I just add some details in here and here. And you know what? I kinda messed up in here. I moved this detail to the top like this. For me, it doesn't look good. So you guys just follow my template that I made. Now we move to the coloring. We can paint all the surface with white color like this. Now for this detail, color it with dark orange, this part with gold, and lastly, this part with black. And yeah, that's how I made Chamber Headhunter from the game Valorant. For the templates, just click link in the description. Follow me on social media for more content and giveaways. And one more thing, if you guys want the ready-made from me, you can request any weapon you want. Just DM me on Instagram. And yeah, that's it. Bye.